Hello everyone, today we discuss about analysis of an assembly of bar element. First of all, click here new project, give the file name assembly of bar element, unit is in meter and kilonewton. Next, add beam, finish. Now this is your structural grid. This is grid for creating any structure. For front view, we take first bar element length is 5 and then second bar is also 5. Then remove grid. Now you can see this is your two bar element, assembly of bar element. Then go for general, then go for properties, define the properties. In our case we take a rectangular bar element, click here rectangular. Now assign the properties. We take depth is 0.3 by 0.2, add. Then for second bar element 0.4 by 0.3, add. Now here you can see assign these properties. First of all, first property, use cursor to assign here, assign first. Then go for second property, use cursor to assign here, assign second property. Now in 3D rendering view you can see your assembly of bar element. And you can see this is different type properties are assigned. Then go for sport. In our case we take fixed sport. First of all, create sport, add, click here, use cursor to assign here, assign sport, assign at the end of your element, assign. Now for sport, then go for load and definition, click here load case detail, add. We take live load, add, close. In live load we take add. In our case we only take nodal load. Here you can see different type of load is shown, but we take nodal load. 10 kilonewton is fx traction. In bar element only consider the axial load. Now here you can see assign the load. Click here, use cursor to assign here, assign. This is now assign. This is nodal load are assigned only at the central node. We does not apply the nodal load at the first and third nodal, only we apply the nodal at the second nodal load. Now for load and definition, after we go analysis part, all, add, then close, then go for an analysis. Now here you can see error is 0, warning 0, note 0. Then go for post processing mode, done. Now here you can see the reaction of your bar element. Now you can see reaction and the displacement are also shown. For displacement, click here, right click, go label and go to scale, reduce the scale size, apply, then OK. Now here you can see with the help of fixed sport displacement are not occurring. This is only we also apply nodal load at the central node. For this nodal only small displacement are occur at this node. Upload are applied. Then also for seeing load values, click here, apply and then OK. Now you can see here at the central nodal load are applied. Now this is your post processing and result. Here you can see reactions, displacements, all the bending movement, z, all the y direction displacement also see. This is our end result for analysis of an assembly of bar element. Thank you.